Pika don't hibernate. Instead, they cash in on the sudden burst of summer flowers to stockpile enough food to get them through the winter. That means cramming thousands of return journeys between flower meadow and burrow into just a few hectic weeks. So, for a pika, a good home is all about location. Having a burrow near the meadow is a huge advantage, but not everyone can have a prime spot. This young female lives high up on the boulder slope. Every day is a relentless commute. She could cover hundreds of miles over a single summer.